Guys, and we're going to be doing some nick knocking, and we are 12 years old, and we're going to be doing some door knocking on the door over. Let's pick one.
We'll go.
We'll take the one down there.
See, straight there.
See down there.
Okay.
Let's go. And
this will be our first house.
Our first house. And the aim of the game is if you get a door without them knowing, you ring the doorbell or you knock and you run away. And if they don't know it, you jump into bushes and that. And if they don't find you, you get 10 points. And then that's a great way. But my favorite way is to basically grab a chair, put it down, doorbell, run away, run into the park over there, jump into the park, and hopefully do that, and then no one knows where you are because I'll just go out from the door. Okay, you hold that. Okay, you go behind the tree. You go behind there.
Okay,
so the fence, so you can see.
Okay,
right
so
here, like yeah.
And
you lay down. You doorbell. Yeah. And when they come out, you run away.
Sure.
And then I'll run. Okay?
Sorry guys, it's just my first time doing door knocking. Okay, so here it goes. It's gonna do it. Good luck. Oh, shit. This was hilarious. Stay here. Oh. Stop. 10 points, mate.
10 points.
Okay, so that was just a lucky thing. Now, we'll go to this house. We'll go to this house. The one over here. No, we'll go to a different. Come on, let's go. Oh, dogs.
Awesome dogs.
Oh shit. Go to this house.
No, because I think she's going to this house.
This house?
No. I reckon
we'll go to this house.
This house. Behind it.
Okay. I'll hide behind the truck. No.
You hide behind the garden.
So I got no shoes.
When they see you go this.
Okay, good. Move. I got no shoes.
Yeah. So that's why you go. Oh no, your mom's there.
Okay, we're just gonna pause. This is part 1.